Hi there. So this is our mini cable baby blanket. So you can see these beautiful twists of cable in this lovely organic cotton. This is our Yache yarn. So if you're new to cables, I'm just going to show you how to do that stitch. It's really easy and it's also a lot of fun to knit. So I have my wee swatch sample here, and I'm going to knit up to where it says to do cable in the pattern. So first of all, I'm using circular needles. You don't have to, you can use straight needles. I just find them easier to work with personally and a little bit easier for tutorials. So right, I am where I need to do cables. So for this pattern, the cable stitch is a CF8, which means cable forward, CF, and we're using 8 stitches to create the cable. So the first thing we do is cable forward, slip for the first 4 stitches onto a cable needle or a DPN, which is what I've got here, a double point needle, just to keep them out of the way. So we just slip them like so, putting the needle into the front, slip them off, 4 of them, and hold that to the front of our work. We'll just sit it there, and then we knit the next 4. Just pull your working yarn in a little bit closer, knit those 4. It's a little bit awkward, but it's only for a brief moment. So we knit 4, and then we're about to create the twist. We now knit the 4 that are on our double point needle, and that creates the twist in our cable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is absolutely all there is to it. You can see there it's created the twist, and now I'm going to continue in my pattern, and then I am up to the next place where I will do a cable. So I will just knit across and show you one more time. So just knitting across as per my pattern. This cotton is beautiful to knit too, by the way. It's really soft. Okay, here we are. We're back where I need to do a CF8. So grab your cable needle or your double point needle, slip those 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold them in the front of your work, so cable forward, and we are now going to knit the next 4. So just pull your working yarn in so that everything's nice and snug. Knit 4, and then we are going to knit the 4 off the DPN, which creates the cable twist. Pretty simple, really. So in this pattern we are doing the cable twist every 9 rows, and the rest of the time we are just following the pattern. So it's pretty straightforward. It looks a lot fancier than it actually is. So there you go, there's my second twist, and I can now finish the row there. So looking again at this beautiful mini cable blanket in the lovely organic cotton, so you can see how luscious those cables are. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.